Yeah, what's on my manyanga to komisa sanam can like pull like and I usually never speak about such things. And it comes up my conspiracy theory over coronavirus. You know, it won't be the scientific part of it, but more of the political, social and economical part. Like why China release was this one. No. So I believe usually when the big brother coughs, the world catches a flu, and the big brother in the meantime play the vaku ngozi tinyipi sotimali matimba economically USA. So I think this time China yawning a control and the world is catching a flu. And the reason why I think China released this thing, not specific because why I think because in relation to so in China you will miss this disease who sabotage the world's economy as a whole. China is one of particularly ringana whatsoever needs to be strong but that flooded in China. So they released it because they knew China is simple because coronavirus there's a high possibility of high possibility high possibility. So it was a quick disease bangay disposal and it's not even that dangerous. Out of 80 something thousand in China laba abanga coronavirus ku 3,000 and something, and this died before they were aware of the disease or before they really acted on the disease, and majority of those who died abana problem yamaha because they were smokers, frequent smokers and everything. Because and I'm for because more deadly because they affected the respiratory part of the person. So they released this disease in Maraku. They want to be in charge of the world's economy. They are overhyping it. The likes of Bill Gates were involved at early stages of the disease, at early stages of the disease. And mind you, the world works, everything is staged. HIV was staged, TB was staged at some point, and most of this disease was staged because the virus antivirus. In the medical side, na vaccination ya ubabyi nitana na control ya ubabyi nhlenta cure ya ubabyi leswi vula ku kunta vanhu khane endla mali throughout this. Just imagine munhu nga ta humesa cure, vaccination na control the coronavirus ya endla mali munhu out of the world's countries well endla mali munhu because matiko hinkwawo mele ku rile yona coronavirus loko bayza va ku munhu ngu kumi cure ni endla mali munhu if I get a cure, if I get a vaccination. And I believe the moment they dispose this disease er gonna cure, gonna vaccination, gonna control, they're just waiting for the right time. That's what that's why the Dr. Siebi was killed, because it was said that they found a cure, HIV and AIDS, and it was killed before he disposed of this festival commission. These big companies, this cure. You know why? Because once ukuma cure yoga jileji umwene ndaku izona mali through the ARVs so threaten welfare. So the reason why coronavirus was disposed by China is because they want to control the world's economy and they wanted to sabotage it. Check out the soccer matches, no more. Music events, no more. And you know why? Because Loguri kuna soccer match, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Barcelona, or whatsoever, and this match is cancelled. The local restaurants lose money, hotels lose money, the vendors lose money, the TV itself, the TV channels, ball, they lose money. Who want people to advertise ka TV show? So you see, we're losing money. That is South Africa says fikin so schools papariwa. PSL, I don't know if they cancelled. The vendors gonna lose money. Everyone is gonna lose money. And once we put this rate, ya lose etela mali yotala. Look, China buys hey, vaccination. Everyone will jump to that opportunity. You know why? Because it's clever what the man. So this is why I think a coronavirus was disposed. Coronavirus is not that dangerous. I never reached land straight, but then as dangerous little it as a ku. It's a tango. As you tango put the family simple. HIV at least, and the relief from Bango Kuyon in my sound. And over from Bakatla no one that takes in a kumba and a kissan and the shooting was switching a farm. But later one, the over it on the Makataku. She's simple, family so bad live. She's simple. Until Mishana Mission Balaku, John. But then, anyways, you are already subscribed. But this is that was my theory. Let me summarize it at the end of the day. Coronavirus by China supported the world's economy, control the world's economy through providing some miri and whatsoever. And I believe Kunati funders, Toma, USA, the likes of Bill Gates, they don't get involved simply because they want to help. No, businessmen are always in business. Each and every decision is business related. So it's funded by some of the USA big stakeholders, the big guys in Europe. They're gonna make a lot of money from vaccination whatsoever. So it's staged. Coronavirus is staged, and they say affected NS South Africa. But then but then no, that's what I thought. That's what I think. Mara coronavirus no go because excessive more react 10 na that the rest. Sure. I'm gonna subscribe,